Now we can put in the 1030 card. So there's our Seagate 320 gigabytes, 1 terabyte. Let's go with the 1 terabyte. And these drives are fine to be mounted upside down, right side up, sideways. You just don't want to be moving the case significantly while the computer's on, because that can cause data errors. I recommend you get yourself a nice magnetic screwdriver. Night and day difference between doing stuff like this with one hand. With a regular screwdriver, you could not do this with one hand. But look how easy that is for me, because I have some awesome tools. And you know what? Every time I get a chance, I add more tools to my repertoire, because you can never have enough tools. Especially screwdrivers, man. Because I have like my portable tool bag, I have my toolbox, I have other tool bags, you know, so I don't like to have to be taking tools from other places. We're looking good here, man. This case is solidly upgraded. For an office rig, you could even play some games on low settings. Plug those cables back in. This is a pretty sweet little portable rig. But look at that, just like that, we swapped out the laptop drive. And we do need to go into the operating system and post this hard drive, because by default, since it's a brand new drive, it won't show up in the operating system. But you just go into my computer or on my PC on your desktop, if you have that icon, and you go to the drive manager, and then when you open that, you'll see that there's another disk drive there with unpartitioned space, and you just have to create a partition out of the whole drive and set it as your new drive. So that does it for the Micro ATX build for today. OhNoGoForIt.